So students, in previous class we have completed up to second bit, no? So in this class we will start from your third bit. Okay? So what is your third bit? What is your third bit? Fill the missing numbers. Fill the missing numbers. I hope you have revised once again up to your second bit in the exercise. Previous class you should revise once again. Okay? So what is this? Fill the missing numbers. So first one he gave 2001. Okay? After 2001 how many boxes are there? 9 boxes are there. Clear? After 2001 9 boxes are there, means you have to fill the all the numbers line. Okay, after 1 you will get 2, after 2 you will get 3, like that. After 2001 which numbers we will get, we have to fill all of them in the continuous form. Okay, so you have to write the series, write the consecutive numbers. Okay, consecutive numbers means the numbers which will come after 2001. You have to fill the 9 boxes. After 2001 you will get what? 2002, next 2003. So here he has given this, remaining we have to write. Okay, this one fill in the first box. Okay, this is in second box, like that you have to fill. 2004, this one he has given already. 2005, 2006, okay, 2007, 2008, 2009, okay, 2010. So how many boxes? 9 boxes you have to fill, like this. After 2001 we will get 2002, after that you will get 2003, after that you will get 2004. So same like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 you will get in a series, no? Like that only you should write the numbers which we are getting after 2001. We will get 2002. After this you will get this. Like that in a series form you have to write. Okay, those are the missing numbers. So this one we have completed. What is the next one? First one is completed. Okay, so second one is, so in the 8th box he gave 2018. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 2018 in the 8th box. After 2018 also you are having 2 boxes. Okay, in these 10 boxes, in the 8th box you are having 2018. After 2018 you will get 2019. Okay, after 2019 you will get 2020. This year is 2020, previous year 2019. So this is 2018. Before this what you will get? If you want the number which we will get before this, what you have to do? Before -1. Okay, I said previously, after +1. In the previous question, after 2001 what you will get? 2002. So we have added 1 to every number to get the next number. Here after 2018 you will get 2019, no? So you have to add 1 to this number, you will get this number. You have to add 1 to this number, you will get this number. Up to here completed. What is the number which we will get before 2018? You have to do -1 from this. 2017. So before 2017 what you will get? You have to do -1 from 2017. You will get 2016. Okay, so before 2016 what you will get? 2015. Before this number what you will get? You have to do -1. 2014. Okay, before 2014 what you will get? 2013. Before 2013 what you will get? 2012. Before 2012 what you will get? 2011. Okay, so 2011, 12, 13 up to 2020 your numbers are there. Okay, so second missing numbers, second row we have completed. Clear? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So third one. So you are having a number in 6th box. Third one, you are having a number in 6th box. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5 6. In this box you are having 2026. Okay, so after 2026 you will get 2027. After 2027 you will have 2028. After 2028 you will have 2029. After 2029 you will get 2030. So to get after numbers, what we are doing, you are adding plus 1 to this, you will get this. You are adding plus 1 to this, you will get this. You are adding plus 1 to this, you will get this. Adding plus 1, you will get this. Okay, like that you have to do. So we have completed up to 2030. Clear? So up to 2030 we have completed. Actually this is a continuous form from 2001. Okay, you will have, so I am telling it row wise so that it will be very clear for you, but this is a continuous number starting from 2001. You have to write up to 2050. Okay, I am telling it row wise. If you understand, you can do it like that, or else you can do it continuously. Okay, so before 2026 you do minus 1, you will get 2025. Before this number you will get 2024. Okay, before this number you will get 2023. Before 2022, this is 2021. These are the numbers which you are getting after 2020, 2021, 2022, 2023, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Okay, we have completed up to third row is completed. Next 2030, no, 2031. Next 2032. Next he has given 2033. This one he gave, that's why I am rounding it. Okay, next 2033. After that you will get 2034, 2035. Okay, 34, 35. Next 2036. Okay, 2036. Next 2037, 2038, 2039. Okay, after that you will get 2040. Okay, so up to 2040 we have completed. You have to write the numbers which you are getting afterwards. Okay, starting from 2001 up to 2050 you have to write it. Okay, 2001 you have to write it serial wise. Okay, after 1 you will get 2, no, like that only. After 2021, 2022, 2023 you have to line by line you have to write it. Okay, so up to 2040 it is completed. Next one, next one is you have to continue the same numbers. Okay, 2040 we have completed up to 2040. After that we will get 2041, 2042. Okay, next 2043. Next 2044. Okay, up to 2044. This one he has given. Okay, next 2045, 2046. Okay, 2047, 2048, 2049, 2050 he has given. Okay, this one he has given. So starting from 2001 up to 2050 we have to fill the missing numbers in the first box. First box is completed. So next box is what? The starting number he has not given. In first box he has given, there are two parts, no, starting from 2001 to 2050, that is one box. And in second box he has not given the starting number. We have to find out how. Let us see. Okay, so let us see how to do that. Clear? Just a minute, let us see. So 1, 2, after 6 boxes in the second box, after 6 boxes means in the seventh box he gave a number 6327. Okay, So after this number we can write what is the next number, after that what is that. So with the help of this number we have to find the first number. How? You have to do minus from this number. You have to do -1. Okay, after doing -1, what you will get? 6326. This is the number you will get. Okay, before this number what you will get? 6325. Before this you will get 6324. Before this you will get 6323. Before this 6322. 6321. So 6321, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27. With the help of this number we have to find the before numbers. How? If you do the -1 from this number you will get the before number. If you do -1 from this number you will get the predecessor of this. Before number means predecessor. Okay, if you do the -1 from this you will get the predecessor of this number. If you do the -1 you will get this one, this one, this one, like that. For before numbers, to get the before numbers, before number means predecessor. We are finding the predecessor for every number up to 6321. Okay, so to do how to find the predecessor, you have to do -1. To get the successor you have to do +1. Okay, so up to 6327. So after that what you will get? 6328. Okay, so next 6329, 6330, 6331. Okay, next he has given 6332. So this one also he gave, this one also he gave. After that what you will get? 6333 means 6333, 6334, 6335, 6336. Okay, up to 6336. So we will continue from 6336. What is the next? 6337. Okay, 6338. Okay, 6339, 6340. Okay, only the change is there in last two digits only. See here, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. These are the consecutive numbers. So these two places are not changing. Only last two digits, ones place and tens place is only changing. After 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40. You have to only remember one thing. He has not given the first number. If he gave the first number, you can write the consecutive numbers. But after 6 boxes, he gave the number. Means you have to do the -1 from this number to get the previous number. -1 from this number to get the previous number. Like that you have to do. And you have to write the after numbers also. Means successors of this number also you have to write. Okay. So up to 6340 we have completed. No? 6340. Up to that we have completed. So next one is 6341, 6342, 6343, 6344, 6345, 6346, 6347. Okay, you have to fill with consecutive numbers. 47 is completed. So this one he gave 6345, he gave already. So 6347 completed. 6348, 6349. Okay, 6350. Clear? 6350. After that 6350. After that what you will get? 51, 6352, 6353, 6354. Okay, 6355, 6356, 6357, 6358. Next he gave 6359. This one he gave. Okay. So he has given this number. After that what you will get? 6360, 6361, 6362, 6363. After that what you will get? So after that which number you will get? So I am rubbing the upper numbers. So 6363 is completed now. 6364, 6365, 6366. So he gave 61. 61 also, this one also he gave. You have to fill the next number. 64, 65, 66. 6367. 6368. This one also he gave. Next what? Next two numbers. 6369, 6370. After 69 you will get 70 now. So like that you have to write the numbers. Okay. Clear? So with this we have completed your which bit? Third bit. Fill the missing series. We have completed. Okay. Missing numbers means they are consecutive numbers only. So from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 like that you will write now. So these are 1-digit numbers which we have looked up in the third bit. Those are 4-digit numbers. So if you are clear with your basics, you can write them very easily. Clear? So with this we have completed your third bit. So in the next class we will start from fourth bit. Okay. So third bit is very easy. They are consecutive numbers only. From where the number is starting, where it is ending. If you know that limits from where to where we have to fill the numbers, that is very easy for you. Clear? So in the next class we will try to start from the fourth bit. Okay, that is also very easy, but I have to explain it clearly now, so it will take some time. So if you start now also it will not complete. So from fourth bit, fifth bit we will complete in the next class. Okay. So with this we are ending this session. Thank you.